Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a ring reveal from Pearl Bath Bombs, and as you can tell, my tie-dye gummy bear came broken. I also unboxed this, and a lot of my bath bombs came damaged, so I just went ahead and dumped everything in the tub. So it did smell good. It's supposed to smell like orange creamsicle, and you can see the pictures of the 3 ring options that you can get from this bath bomb. There's a pink ombre, a blue ombre, and a rainbow ring. And they also show you what the water's supposed to look like. It looks nothing like that. Wasn't very colorful. Even when I let everything dissolve and mixed up the water, it just looked dirty. It was a miss for me. I was pretty disappointed. And it was a very tiny bath bomb. I don't know why I was expecting it to be so much bigger than what it was. Maybe because it's a $20 bath bomb. I thought it would be bigger, but it wasn't. So all around, pretty disappointed with this. I did get the blue ombre ring, which I will say they look better in person. Here's what the water looks like. There's only like a tiny little bit of the bath bomb left, and it just kind of is brownish, gross color. But the ring is gold with blue ombre stones going all around it. And when I entered my code, it said it was worth 100 Pearl points, which is their reward system. You could redeem those points for products on their website. So that's the ring that I got today. And I do have several more ring reveals to do for Pearl Bath Bombs. So stay tuned if you're interested. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.